Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now this is a video I do with my sister as usual.
And guys, if you want to see me, you just know what time of day.
Just know it's a rubbing time for she rub me.
So
guys, in this video we're going to do the icy challenge. No, I don't know if anyone has done this before, but I'm gonna set the timer. We're supposed to eat off all these. We have ice cream right here. We have some cube of ice. And we have popsicle and bag juice, Jamaican bag juice. And now, how much minutes we set it for? So we're going to set the timer for 2 minutes. So, do you start already? You start putting already? Because the host whoever done is the winner. So guys, let's go. 2 minutes on the timer. Start with ice cream first.
What you do? No, I brought my broccoli out of the...
Can't wear you.
Do something.
There's a can go there, you know. I don't want me to go.
Them. Put up your empty container. Too deep.
Done too far, come.
Put up your empty container. Them. Sit down. Where your ice cream cup? Then put up your ice cream cup.
What do you then? Cause I want me to see no ice cream. Me to see no ice cream.
See my ice cup, yeah.
I am here.
See me two what do you call this fudge stick? See me empty pot them there. The whole thing me not eat at the bag juice. See me ice cup them.
People, what did she do?
Ladies and gentlemen, I do thank you.
She hide everything.
Hide what? What me have you hide?
Look at MBS now. I see MBS. Look at
You always want to run challenge and prepare yourself.
Look at MBS now.
Sit there.
Look at MBS now.
The empty pack is what comes. See the base there where you put the stuff in. The only thing me not eat at the bag juice. The only thing me not eat at the bag juice. The only thing me not eat at the bag juice.
Show
the only thing me not eat at the bag juice.
Show people. Look at the ice cream on the floor. Show people.
I drop the ice cream drop out. The little piece they drop out.
I'm talking at this. Anyway guys, as you can see, she always rub me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share, and follow me on our socials at Tuesday_Jamaica Vibes. And guys, I'm also on TikTok now, so you can go ahead and follow me on that. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and comment and tell me how she robbed me.
Just
Oh, no,
prepare.
see.
Just prepare better next time.
Oh no, sister, she robbed me.
See the hum for Rabbi.
You robbed me for time.
The only thing me not eat is.
Well, I won't eat everything. Even the ice milk, I do I put in the ice and
Why bag juice then? I bag juice this.
Me put a bag juice too. I'm going to think people can see me eat everything. I put the ice milk.
Guys, tell us what you want to eat next. Like some KFC chicken. Like some Burger King.
But she gets robbed, me not sure. See there, people? See the ice cream and the ice and everything that's alright in the lesson. See there?
Give me a chat too.